to grab is a spatula, and I'm going to show you which one to take. We're going to make a fried egg. Jacqueline is going to make their first fried egg. That is the spatula. Now we're going to come over to the stove. Be extremely careful with a hot surface. Never touch the amber part with your bare hands. I'm going to get the eggs in a moment. Take this knob right here and turn it to 8. Turn the knob to 8. Next one over. Push it in and turn. There we go. Perfect. Turn it to 8. Make sure it's turning on. See how it's changing colors?
Yeah.
Grab the pan over behind the coffee maker.
This.
Nope. Pan. The tall can. Right there.
This?
Yep. You're going to open it up.
Oh, then you spray it?
Spray the pan. Give it a once round all over the pan. Okay, now go over to the middle cabinet. Just put the pan down for now. Leave it alone. That's got to heat up. Go over to the middle cabinet and take out the salt. You're going to do it with the, not the open that side. Perfect. I never opened that side the first time, and my kid just did. Shake it out twice onto the pan. That's enough. I don't want too much salt. Over in the refrigerator, take out the eggs.
Where's the egg?
All the way to the left on the top shelf. Top shelf left. Perfect. And take it. Be careful. Over.
1 or 2?
Do one to start.
Oh, wait. 2 of them are broken.
No, those are eggshells. I save them for the Blue Jay.
Oh.
I save and clean the eggshells for the Blue Jay because the pregnant Blue Jay eat them for nourishment for their unborn birds. Now crack the egg on the side and then break it open into the frying pan. Did a piece of shell fall?
No.
Perfect. That's not shell right here.
I don't know.
If you drop shell in the egg, just rub it and it will pick up. Now dump that into the garbage can.
I think that was just a piece of the egg.
I have plenty of eggshells for the Blue Jay right now. Now we're going to wait until this solids up and solidifies. I'm not very good at flipping my eggs either. Maybe Jeff will be good at that too.
Maybe.
Then we're going to adjust the heat down to 4. Because you don't want to overcook your egg. And take your spat and push it. There we go. Hold on. Yep. Let it sit for a minute. And kind of go back and forth like this. Now we're going to flip it. Let me help you out here. Scoop it under there. Push your spatula underneath all the way to the egg. Get a good gripping under it. Push it under. There we go. And then you're going to let it sit. Now go over to the cabinet above the crock pot and grab a small plate. There you go. Shut the cabinet. I'm keeping an eye on the egg for them.
It smells good.
Going to take the spatula back. And then I'm going to take the plate, put it next to the pan and turn off the heat. And then you're going to flip it onto the plate very carefully. Life skills are so important. There we go. You made an egg. Onto the stovetop. You can put that in the sink. Let's get Jack on a fork. Let me see your plate with your egg. Awesome, honey. Hold on right there.